Hi there! Do you ever get confused by English words? See or watch, say or tell? Don't worry. Today we will fix the 10 most common mistakes with simple drawings. Let's start with hack number 1.
The difference between see and watch.
Open your eyes. You see a bird. You see a car. You don't try, it just happens. But if the bird dances and you look for a long time, you watch, like TV. You need popcorn. Hack number 2, say versus tell. You speak words. Maybe nobody is listening, just words coming out. Say hello, say yes. But if you see a friend, you need a target. You tell him, you tell her, tell a person. Hack number 3, much versus many. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3 apples? Yes, use many. Can you count water? 1 water, 2 waters? No, impossible. Use much. Hack number 4, be careful here. Fun versus funny. A clown falls down. A joke makes you laugh. Ha ha ha, that is funny. A party, a video game, a roller coaster. You don't laugh, but you are happy. That is fun. Hack number 5, borrow versus lend. You need a pen. You take it from a friend. The pen comes to you. Can I borrow? You have money. You give it to a friend for one day. The money goes away from you. Please lend me. Hack number 6, hear versus listen. Boom! A car crash. Or a dog barks. You didn't want it, but sound enters your ears. You hear it. You want to hear music. You put on headphones. You focus. You listen. Hack number 7, make versus do. You cook a cake. You build a wall. Before, there was nothing. Now there is a cake. You make it. Homework, laundry, cleaning. You don't create a new object. You just work. You do it. Hack number 8, house versus home. Look at the street. Bricks, windows, doors. It costs money. You can sell it. That is a house. But inside, where your family is, where your cat sleeps, that feeling, that is home. Hack number 9, miss versus lose. Where are my keys? Where is my phone? I had it, now I don't. I lost it. The bus leaves at 5. You arrive at 5:01. The bus is gone. You missed the bus. And finally, hack number 10, job versus work. What are you? A doctor, a driver, a teacher? That is your job. It has a name. But what do you do all day? Emails, calls, meetings? You are busy. You have much work. And that is it. 10 pairs of tricky words conquered. Which one was the hardest for you? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stickman in English. See you next time.